Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Speedway. As you know, in this channel we used to drop daily analysis on boom and crash strategy and step index. If you are watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next I drop my next video. You can also like and comment on this video. Share us your experience so far using this particular strategy. As you can see, we are in 1000 on 5 minute time frames. So what I like most is to trade on 5 minute time and my 15 minute time frames. So I'm going to show you now. This is my 15 minute time frames. So I love to trade most in 5 minute time frames and my 15 minute time frames. So guys, today I'm going to be giving you a best strategy for you to catch up a spike. This is a strategy that I'm always try with my own trading system, and I've been using it to catch up a spike, because anytime this particular window is accurate with my method here, I know that there's going to be a strong spike. So as a beginner, you can use this strategy to catch up a spike, and you can easily make a lot of profits in the market. So let me show you the settings of this strategy before I explain how it works. So I'm only having just only one indicator window, which is the RSI, which is relative strength index. I have the period of 13. I apply to close. I have my start to be in red color, and I have my level in different level. I have the level of 90. I have level of 50. I have 10. I have 80, and I have 20. You can see that when you just have this, then press on done. When you do that, then you will have the full charts exactly the way I have it here on your chart. You see, so guys, what are the things that you need to do? So this strategy is very simple to use. It's very simple. It is something that even a day beginner can try, and it can really works. So what you need to identify is this particular spot, and you need to identify it at your window level, so that you can easily take up the spike up. You see, anytime we have our level, our trade, which is our price here, that our price, this is our price, this is the price that is moving in the market. Anytime we have our price that reach our 20 level, there's always this 100% assurance that the market is going to spike. Is that the market reverse from that particular level and begin to spike up for long, or it spike up before taking up another downtrend, before it respect our second level here, which is between the 20 level and the 10 level, before it have a strong feelings to keep on spike for the days. So guys, let me show you an example of what I mean by that. So as you can see now, from this level now, you see from this particular aspect, we have our price that range down from our 20 level at this particular side. So there's no any spike on that 20 level, but it's moved between the 20 to 10 level, and it give out a spike, which is this particular spike. You can see. So it give us a spike at that particular moment, and it keep on selling down a little bit, and in between the 20 to 10 again, it give out another spike, and before you can see it, it continue giving us the spike. This is 5 minute time frames. If you enter with 0.20 loss size and you catch up this particular spike that is here, you know how much it's going to be for you. So guys, let me show you more sample like this. So you see, this might not be happen time to time, maybe every 5 minutes. It might not be happen every 5 minutes. It might not be happen every 20 minutes. But once it is accurate, then guys, let me tell you, it is the best time for you to enter and catch up your spike. You see, this is another sample. This is another example. Now you see, at this particular level, now we have our price, which is entered in between the 20 and the 10 level at this level. You see, when you enter your market at this level, which is going to be at this level, you see you can easily enter, and it respect that particular window, and it keep on spiking up to this level. So you see guys, immediately it's reached my 20 level at this particular time. I'm going to having this candle here. So this is the candle that I'm going to enter for my for my buy entry, and it keep on selling up to like 5 to 6 candle before it take the first spike. You see it have already cover your loss here, and it keep on making your profit from this entry up to this level. You see, you can easily make a lot of money by doing this every day. Even if it's just 2 times you can use to catch up your trade every day, then that is best for you. So this strategy works on boom 1000, and it also works on crash 1000. And I'm using the third zoom level. If you are asking for the zoom level, I'm using the third zoom level. You see, anytime it reach our 20 level, is either it give us a baby spikes, or it give us a little spike at this, like this. You see, you can catch up this small spike, then you can keep on waiting till you have your reverse between the 20 level and the 10 level. You see, okay. So let's check for more. You see, now it's enter at this particular level also. So anytime you are having your price in between the 10 and the 20 level, believe me, you are going to catch up a spike. So let me show you what's exactly the crash 1000 is also. So in crash 1000, same thing always happen in crash 1000. So you are going to be watching your 80 and the 90 level, like this level. Now anytime it cross above the 90 level, when you enter your trade at this particular time, then you catch up your spike down, and you take your profits. Guys, let me tell you, anytime it reach 80, there's always this probability that there's going to be a spike. You see, this is RSI. That's very important in trading boom and crash. You see, anytime it's reach our 90, there's always this assurance that there's going to be a spike. You see this level now, we have its first spike. You see this level now, when it reverse again, we have another spike here. You see, so it's always respect that level, and when it go beyond 80 to 90 level, it makes it so strong enough for us to believe that it's going to work. It's going to go for long time. You see, when it reach below the when it reach between the 80 to 90, you see it's going to go for a long period of time. So guys, if you are watching this channel, if you are not subscribed, please kindly help us to subscribe. It's going to help this channel a lot. And you can also like and comment on this video, share your experience so far using this strategy or any strategy on this channel. And also you can join our Telegram group below the video description, so that you also can enjoy a lot of benefits in the group. Thanks.